Welcome to another SailfishOS app podcast, and this time around I want to show you a nice social media app called Tooter. You can find it in a Yola store. Just search for it. It's a pretty early version of the Mastodon client for SailfishOS. Mastodon is a social network similar to Twitter but federated, so you have various different servers available, in various different countries. And yeah, it's a free open source social network, and I can highly recommend to just add or create an account there on a special server. You can choose between, I think there are popping up dozens of servers each day or every minute. And this is a beta version or alpha version 0.1.3, and it's the first implementation of a good Mastodon client for SailfishOS. So you can just simply download it. It's pretty new, pretty fresh. And after you've logged in with your Mastodon address, basically, then first of all you have to choose a server. So you have to give it the address to your Mastodon server, and then you have to log in, and then you have to authorize the Mastodon client, Tooter in this case, and then you can see your tweets here. You can go to timeline where you see some trending stuff, usually for me in different languages. Japanese I can see here. There's also some Arabic languages here and signs, as you can see here. So various different languages are supported in here. So what you can do, or what you can see here on the bottom, are the various different tabs. So you can basically swipe to switch between tabs. So I can go to notifications, I can go to search. The search, I think, is not working probably. Let's search for SailfishOS and see if it works. You can see it simply does nothing. Click here. Maybe I have to click here. No. So, or load more. It does nothing basically. And there's an annoying bug that after you've used the search, the timeline stuff, the toolbar basically disappears, and you can bring it back somehow. Not sure how to bring it back. But of course you can just simply swipe to switch between the different tabs basically. Here you can see my home tab with various different people and stuff added, and you can see that there are for example also people in here. I can click on those to get more information about them. I can of course just simply also directly send them a message. Not sure if I'm able to attach something. I don't think it's working yet. But you can see some contact information if you want to. And of course, if you have a post, you can click on this post and give it an answer, or answer this post, or comment on this post. Of course, if the post contains links, just like for example here, I can just click on this, and the cool thing here is that it does not open the browser, but it opens up, basically a native browser-like version with very basic HTML support, so it is able to show images in here and text. And for most of the time, this is everything you need, especially if those are news articles or something like this, and not a web page with fully fledged HTML5 player or something like this. So pretty nice, as you can see here. But of course, if you need the full web browser, you can just simply go to web mode or open in browser, which will use the native browser, whatever you've set on SailfishOS to be a native browser. This is the Tooter, basically the Tooter client. Maybe there will be some updates, just like longer press to retweet, how it's called here. I forgot it already. There's also a retweet way basically for Mastodon, which allows you to just simply retweet messages. Notifications, I'm not sure if they are implemented of course, the important thing. Oh, I have to delete the search result for the bottom panel to appear again. Of course, you also have the option to just simply create a new entry, a new tweet, basically, so a new message, and I'm the new toot. This is the correct term, toot. So I will create a new toot here. A first post on Mastodon using, how is it called again? Tooter, of course. Using Tooter on SailfishOS. Of course, as you can see here, just like on Twitter, you can use hashtags, and you're able also, especially on the official website, to search for those hashtags and see posts, toots, basically. Just like, for example, I searched for SailfishOS to get some information, or some to add some people to my timeline, basically, that are also interested in SailfishOS and discuss stuff. So yeah, the first post on Mastodon using Tooter, and you can hit send here, and yeah, it should be out now. I'm not sure if it appears in the timeline. Yeah, it appears here. Just refresh, and then you have you can see my first post here. I'm not sure why there's no icon in here, because I don't have one set, basically. But of course I can load more, I can log out. These are the only options right now. Oh, I can follow, mute or block as well, as you can see here if I tap on the username. Interesting, let me try this. Of course the search is not working, but otherwise I also have the option to see more information about this person, and can unfollow, mute, block them, or follow them if the search would work. So this is basically the first Mastodon client Tooter for SailfishOS. I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration. If you like this, just give it a thumbs up, just like I do here. And I think there's also the possibility, as you can see here, to see the code, the source code. So if you have to contribute anything or want to support the developer, just flatter him or her. And yeah, this is everything for this little demonstration. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.